Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked yet profound aspects of Zen living, finding enlightenment in the mundane, everyday tasks. Whether it's washing dishes, folding laundry, or even sweeping the floor, every moment is an opportunity to practice mindfulness and live a Zen-inspired life. The Zen saying goes, before enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. After enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. This reminds us that the tasks themselves don't change, but how we approach them does. So today, let's explore how you can turn daily activities into mindful, transformative experiences. What is the Zen of routine tasks, why they matter? We often see routine tasks, cleaning, cooking, organizing, as burdens or things to rush through. In Zen, however, these seemingly trivial activities are moments for awakening. Why? Because they force us to engage with the present moment. Zen is all about being here, right now, fully engaged with whatever you're doing. The task at hand is secondary, what matters is the quality of attention you bring to it. So when you approach daily chores with mindfulness, they become less about getting things done, and more about experiencing the doing. Think of your daily tasks like waves on the ocean. Each wave might seem separate and insignificant, but they are all part of the same vast body of water. Similarly, each small task is part of your life and can be experienced with the same depth as meditation or prayer. Mindful eating and transforming a common activity. Let's start with something we all do, eating. How often do we eat without thinking, rushing through meals, or multitasking while we eat? In Zen, the simple act of eating can become a meditation in itself. Mindful eating means being present for every bite. It's about savoring the flavors, noticing the textures, and appreciating the nourishment your food provides. When you eat mindfully, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your soul. Exercise. The next time you sit down for a meal, try this. 1. Take a moment to breathe and express gratitude for the food in front of you. 2. Take small bites and chew slowly. Pay attention to the taste and texture of each bite. 3. Set down your fork between bites and allow yourself to fully experience the act of eating. 4. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the present moment and the food in front of you. Eating mindlessly is like watching a movie on fast forward. You miss the details, the nuances, the richness of the experience. By slowing down and eating mindfully, you experience the full movie, the full spectrum of the eating experience. Zen and cleaning is a meditation in action. Cleaning is another area where we can find enlightenment in the mundane. In Zen monasteries, cleaning is not considered a chore, it's considered a sacred act. Sweeping the floor, washing dishes, or tidying a room are all seen as opportunities to practice mindfulness and bring order to your environment. When you clean, don't see it as just getting the job done. Instead, make it a meditation in action. Focus on the sensation of the cloth in your hand, the sound of water running, the movement of your body. Let cleaning become a way to clear your mind as well as your space. Exercise. The next time you clean, follow these steps. 1. Set your intention, approach the task with gratitude, knowing that a clean space supports a calm mind. 2. Focus on the sensory details, how the surface feels under your hand, the smell of cleaning products, the rhythmic motion of your arms. 3. Breathe deeply and let the task ground you in the present moment. Cleaning your house can be like cleaning your mind. Just as you sweep away dust and dirt, you can use the act of cleaning to sweep away mental clutter and find clarity. Walking meditation is mindful movement. Many people associate meditation with sitting still, but in Zen, movement can also be a meditation. One powerful example is walking meditation. In Zen temples, monks practice walking meditation in between seated meditation sessions to stay grounded and present. Walking meditation can be done anywhere, in a park, your backyard, or even your living room. The key is to walk slowly and deliberately, paying attention to each step and each breath. By synchronizing your breath with your steps, you bring your body and mind into harmony. Exercise. Try this simple walking meditation. 1. Start by standing still and taking a few deep breaths. Set an intention to be present as you walk. 2. As you walk, focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground. With each step, feel your foot lift, move through the air, and make contact with the earth. 3. Coordinate your breathing with your steps. For example, inhale for 4 steps, then exhale for 4 steps. 4. Walk slowly and mindfully, staying focused on the present moment. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your steps and your breath. Think of walking meditation as pressing the reset button. Just like restarting a computer clears out any glitches, walking meditation resets your mind and brings you back to a place of balance. The Zen of Tea is a ceremony of presence. The Zen tea ceremony is a beautiful example of how even the simplest activities can be filled with mindfulness and meaning. In Japan, tea ceremonies are not just about drinking tea, they are about being fully present for every part of the process. When you make tea, whether it's a formal tea ceremony or just brewing a cup in your kitchen, you can bring mindfulness to each step. Focus on the sound of the water boiling, the aroma of the tea leaves, the warmth of the cup in your hand. Be present for every detail, and let it be a moment of Zen calm in your day. Exercise: the next time you make tea, follow these steps. 1. Start by choosing your tea mindfully. Pick one that resonates with your mood. 2. Pay attention to the process, how the water heats, the steam rising, the color of the tea as it brews. 3. As you drink, hold the cup with both hands, savor the warmth, and take small, mindful sips. 4. Let the act of drinking tea be a reminder to slow down and enjoy the moment. Making tea mindfully is like creating a small oasis of peace in your day. No matter how busy or chaotic life may be, the simple act of making and drinking tea can bring you back to the present moment and restore your sense of calm. Here is final reflections on integrating Zen into daily life. In Zen, enlightenment isn't something you find in some far-off place. It's right here, in this moment, in these simple, everyday tasks. Whether you're eating, cleaning, walking, or making tea, each activity is an opportunity to practice mindfulness and experience life more deeply. The Zen of everyday tasks teaches us that there's no need to rush through life in pursuit of some distant goal. Instead, we can slow down, pay attention, and find peace and clarity in the present moment. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can bring more balance, awareness, and joy into every aspect of your life. Remember, enlightenment is not a destination, it's a way of being, moment by moment. So the next time you fold laundry, cook a meal, or sip your tea, do it mindfully. Find the Zen in the mundane, and watch how it transforms your life.